So nervous, second date. First one was okay, but I hope he likes model trains. I got the whole set of them. Do you think?
Hey, what's going on?
George? What's it?
Yeah, that's my name.
Okay!
That's not my name. How did you? Well, technically that's my name, but you know that's not what I go by.
Right, D. Rizzle. Do you want something to eat? Sorry, I'm so rude.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Something to be would be okay, I guess. Yeah, that'd be fine.
Okay. Well, you can scrounge on the floor. I'll go say if I have anything in the kitchen. You know what? Do you like eating just whatever you can find around here? Or just steal some.
Like dog food, or like cat food, or like this piece of mold growing on the floor.
Have at it.
Yeah. So what are we gonna do tonight? I just came over. I thought we had something fun planned, right? Is trains?
Model trains. Not real trains. Why would I have a train? That'd be ridiculous.
Yeah. Of course it's trains. So what are we gonna do with the trains? Model trains.
They just run and we watch them. It's romantic. Have you never been on a second date before?
You know, I have, but I can say I've never played with model trains, honestly.
Well,
you know, I can say that I have played with model trains. You know, I can say that playing with model trains is something I never thought I'd be doing on a second date. You know, I can honestly say that playing with model trains on a second date is one of the most romantic things I've ever heard of in my entire life.
bust out the real food for you.
So, how about for every time it goes around the track, you bring me a bag of chips?
Okay.
Or we just like, you know?
Okay, start off. You like Fritos?
I love Fritos.
Have some Fritos.
I can do Fritos. You just gonna watch while I eat them, or?
I got
So you just wanna watch while I eat the? I thought we were gonna watch the train.
Yeah. You watch the trains. I watch you. It'll work. You know what? Let's just watch each other. I want you to stare at that bowl. I'm gonna watch my train. How about you just go home, D. Rizzle? You ever thought about that? You know, how about you just stare at those chips and really figure out what they're actually made of?
Well, gosh, I didn't know you were gonna give me chips just so you could criticize me on my eating habits.
I'm not. I'm just saying, really stare at those chips. Something new, since you don't seem that interested in the trains anymore.
I just said I wanted some chips to go along with the trains. I still think that's the most romantic thing I've ever heard of.
Oh, another bag of chips. I'm actually all out of chips. I just had the Fritos. Do you want some bread?
You know, do you have any other substitutes other than bread? You know, I just kind of stopped eating bread altogether.
Moldier bread. A sack of potatoes. Dead cat.
I'm going to have to take a pass
So
on
no go on the dead cat.
I think it'd probably for the best if I stay away from the dead cat.
I'll just put it back on the train station.
You know, yeah, it's really not as romantic with the dead cat sitting right in the middle of the set. It's kind of a vibe killer, don't you think?
You don't think Fluffy heightens the mood a bit?
Maybe if Fluffy was still alive.
Well, she would never stay put if she was still alive. Yeah, I wish she was alive too. I hope she stays dead.